Hey guys! Welcome back to another week's tutorial video. So I wanted to do an Aquamarine summer look. By the way, I did my face look earlier in advance, so don't worry about that if I had to do it on video. Anyways, we're gonna start with this palette right here. I'm gonna go with this, a nice an aquamarine teal look. Alright, so we're gonna go with that color right there. I'm nervous for August, by the way, so help me. Help me finish my full summer break next month nice and strong, because I'm not ready to go back to school and be a senior in college. Okay, I'm gonna go with this aqua blue color, but it's like aqua light green color, which reminded me of the tank top that I had since 2015, but then I accidentally threw it out. I'm not sure why though. I could have hid it somewhere so no one could take it. Just because I love that color does not mean I could just simply throw it out and just get a new one. Now it's gonna be too hard because the last aqua blue tank top I ordered online, it went wrong because I thought it's gonna match the color of the aqua blue, or should I say baby blue, long skirt that looks like a dress though. That I wanted it so bad, so it went wrong. That aqua blue color, it's not that light that I had before. It was brighter than like an electric blue color. Let's hope I can get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel, because I definitely want 200 subscribers so badly. I waited since, I don't know, past 6 months, past 12 months, past 18 months. I'm not sure when, but ever since I just wanted to start posting more videos more often, but I just want to get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel. Also, when we go to August, I'm going to try to look up online which other makeup looks for summer I can do, because now, as we're closing out July, I am running out of ideas which eyeshadow colors to do. Because for whatever reason, I kept posting videos and videos non-stop, whether I'm posting too much or not, or posting a little bit. Every time I post some of these videos, I get low views. And you know what? I don't deserve to go viral, because I'm not a famous content creator unless I get more than 1,000 subscribers, more than 1,000 followers, that it would deserve to go viral. But unfortunately, everything went wrong. I am trying my best though, because I don't know, because I'm just a small YouTube creator who posts videos almost every day, or for a little bit, but sometimes getting low views on my YouTube channel or on other social media platforms, maybe because of the algorithm. By the way, come back for the final eye look, and I'm going to put on these lashes once again, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did my final eye look, so I put on some lashes, and I did the mascara on the bottom lashes too. Looks cool though. Alright. So now we're going to do 3 colors of lipstick once again. First, I'm going to start with Pink Promise 778 lipstick from Revlon. Then I'm going to go with 560 Saucy Mauve lipstick from L'Oreal. And lastly, I'm going to do this color again, Nude Rust 920 lipstick from Maybelline. Okay, this is a final makeup look. So I did my hair in advance. I curled up again, but I just wanted to keep it a little bit of fluffy. But it's good though, but I did my bangs in advance as well. So stay tuned for the full outfit look. Okay, this is the final look. Again, ignore the hair and the bangs. Unless if you want to look at it. But I just did it earlier in advance. So that's good though. By the way, if you want to see the outfit. Okay, so what I'm wearing right now is this white top. This is the one from Primark. I had it since 2021. And I'm wearing black leggings and I'm wearing these strap high heels rose gold sandals. So good. Okay guys, so thank you all for watching today's makeup tutorial video. If you do love this video and if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. Alright, so I'll see you guys in August. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.